for me mamuni akwaba eba Melodies Podcast YouTube channel. So mesre and there your first time wa subscribe na click the notification bell on this so MI. We understand latest news be about once ebeka. Make us last week and asampon hene ne ye no course na afei ena nsensema esiye ewo eye ni mu no eba. Anse na beto asem subscribe eno ena eda wo screen so. Na say ngofo bebreja ngofo edwa live part say Reverend Obofo ngofo edwa no say asampon hene ne ye no me bremo update because efim bra wo hu ye de course bia no me de bremo. Na eye no course no me ma woti ase se mo betie reporter me de ba ya me ma woti ase se Reverend Obofo mu nia eba eye na se na say Reverend Obofo ko ye ade bi we yi na se a ama sebe ebusuafo ene wo mo a ye beka se na asampon hene wodi omoso no wo mubu afuye pa wo mo frɛ Reverend Obofo se wo mo be gino ana mo chino dedua menim say sa na ye omo ka no na asɛm ni Reverend Obofo ye ne before that ye ne say Reverend Obofo the woko program bi ase a ya na nkrofo bebre edi n'echi na de enti a me susu say ya nkrofo bebre edi n'echi no aside ne fame na wenya ne nso no ene say nkrofo susu say wo be cheska wo be tutu ska ama nkrofo ayeden asesa enti na ya nkrofo di n'echi na enokra ema one day Kennedy Japan kra be kasa say wono Kennedy Japan ni ko yie bi ena bo hu say Reverend Obofo so ba ho ankrofo bo di n'echi say no Kennedy Japan no onim de esi na ho na Kennedy Japan ema ni hu say Reverend Obofo anasofo bi wo ho a ye friend Reverend Obofo na Reverend Obofo ko asampon hene ne yie no na kra na nkrofo bo agene so je say wo hwa wo mo around o me Chelsea Reverend Obofo ndwom embra wo ne Bishop Obinim ntokwa ba ya ye ndwom Reverend Obofo aputo sa ndwom no aha ne ye bo we yie na say embra Reverend Obofo aba no na nkrofo dinechi a ye be hu say Reverend Obofo atwinska to ska no na munim say in a crowded place like this na wo bi atwinska say wo to ska na ebe gidigidi ewo ho wanhwe ye kra enipa betumi afemu ewu stampede ebetumi asi samokaya Ghana several years ago kotokone house match wo mobo 9th May chese nkofu wu ye no ni nia na stampede chese gidigidi abanti wo bia April ne ho eno no wo ye mistake na okotofo ma nkofu betietia also no mo ayeden wo mo ekunkwa inti esi sano chese ebusuafo ene wo mo ana wo around wo mo say eyie de meka say there are two sides of the thing mpanyifo ensema wo mo de aba abonte ne say sebe asanti amamre no saa de no yenye aside say etia amamre no the other social side so me de bebro na de na make no say asanti amamre saa de no yenye asantefo agidi say ye a enye eyi ase na wo beba betututu ska sebe wo ska bi ma fakobon sa abode ati ase enye eyi ase na wo betututu ska because enye weyie asantefo eno na wo mo believe se wo ye busieni na ana wo fise busioni na wo ye sa ne dia eno kra no there are limits to it enye weyie nti no yenye sa weyie ase wo say eyi na ase na the other side eno so ye social side ne so ne say nkrofo bebrabe yie na ase enye obi na se be wo be yie na ase se wo be yie ne kese ne bakono wa hye yata ne nyama but obi ba ho se wo be dija na utumi ye bibi se na gidigidi esi wo ho a wo mo dija no ana ye beka se embrewafo ase be wo mo nam nkrofo mu ewe yie na ase no ebetumi apem wo mo atofom ama se be wo mo bewu intia na se be asantefo gidi se eyi ase ye nya bibi sa because nkrofo dos wo ho eyi ase embrewafo ba nkokrafo ba sebe nkrokrafo nso nemu na omokọ na gidigidi we kosi na omotofom na chese bo mu a eye ho ana aye eye wo na waye nti ano ne nsama ama nkrofo ebusuafo asampon hene ne busuafo ne wo mu asebe na asampon hene edi omoso asori ebeka se ade a Reverend Obofo oyeye ewe yie na se no enye kakaka na ma bibia wo kasa e wo se wo no de bia wo tie Reverend Obofo wo hwene ewo the TV so wo follow Reverend Obofo ne yere chese wo do mo ankasa ba de Reverend Obofo ye na aye ne ya because no na chese wo de nam aba ho a wo ton na sense Reverend Obofo chiches kan ntin ngrofo digidi ebe pim nam no ma nam ni ni agufom ama chese ahia ngrofo tietia so aye ne basa a wo ka se sia no se sika wo de akofa nam se wo de o de bedigwa enya ska akɔhyem bosia no kɔbɔ se sia wo besi den ekotua aka nti reverend obofo embetua ma no na abrante bi nso ebekasai se wo no kra ate se ya famu ewia ne phone because gidigidi ni sisa no atronfo nso enenemu etwetwe nkrofo phones gidigidi esi obi ne nsa hye wo pocket a onte watwe phone no de kɔ mami bi nso sa wose wo no mpo de ni sika ehye ne pocket ya twe etiefo anya asem ketwa o nsem a eba no na media meka se ne kremu emse eye ne kre because me share video no de na ekose na mbra reverend obofo obai no na reverend obofo no de ye beka se na security for surround no what the security eba enti gidigidi yo no ntumi anto no wotutu ska no ono gidigidi yo no ntumi anto no because na the security for no abone ho ban but omo na wo mudi na chi he omo bone nsemra ne iron boy no wo mo ena trese de wo mo be fam no wo mo eye den efemu ya brabosem na de me pesa me ye ene se me pesa me read the comments because ebi mo eka se ne kre asanteman sorry ne reverend obofo ye no there's ebi mo kra be didi atem se sebe reverend obofo ade na wo ye no sebe nsemfun no wodi there's engofu bebre ati ase engofu bebre ebedi reverend obofo atem na send me dinga tra me pesa me read comments omo awo mo ko eyi na ase adwentre se nyankofo ebre ye de Ghana fo nso abomu hu video no eka no mbese me read it na ye hwe the general overview or the general view from this particular thing what you say ano ni asema eba we be see you people with nonsense there will get Reverend Obofo to be at your funeral service. There are some there obi nso eka we ye Reverend Obofo ni supporter they all can say massa we en kwase asem na mo benya kra se Reverend Obofo beba mo eyi ase ana eno ni asem obi nso eka Charlie Ghana for eda ho we be say cheer foolish people with empty brain. Is Obofo the first person to throw money on funeral grounds? Let Obofo visit one of these people talking and blaming Obofo now and see how they will go down for him. Asema will be so can say massa Reverend Obofo enyo no pe e na watutu ska e we yase na munjai nsemhunu na se be mo kano the cream Ghana has said there and Reverend Obofo pe na waye bibisa but are you telling me that the people also don't have a valid point ana nipa ko na try so wakoje bosia e de abeto enam a wode beto gidigidi ye no e baaye no enam na say inti e ho fault explanation na sebe ebi mo so e de aba no e twese mbruwafo ene nkokrafo sebe na ko mo na proud ni mo na gidigidi ye no mo bofo mbu ya na nke ho fault inti I believe say who support Reverend Obofo e ye ne kre wo beka so eyi ase de Ghana for chese wobia eyese wobia ko eyi ase botutu ska and Reverend Obofo is not the first person to do that. And we all know Reverend Obofo said that has become his trademark. Now saying say brother Samikra and the launching a drobianka them launching no there's a sika wotutu enye easy and so we beka say a crowded place na no ye bibisa but yes and then there him say mostly no enye public place and no wotutu ska no atu nipa ba akoso nti eno no ye ma enkrofo emba mbesisa ska no but when a public place and now wotutu ska no egu nipa ne so nti everyone has the right to fight for the money. Ghana so there ye nim so we be once the crown and ko obi to twa send yankofo be pray because me kai several years ago, by 6 years ago, me who be ever Kumasi Stadium. Just a yen na my year coasted that time Black Stars the bomb match Kumasi a what bottom pin saying go be brave. And our branch here be was a glasses what's in the castle. And I was sure say 1 city be brain or sure just said what to I say that 1 city no send an uncle for pray who air con me train me home because send an gidi air con me say eh. Easy 1 city hunti it as far as ASC canon kwandie people will fight for it because any nipa ba ko na na wo to sikana man so what the money nipa ba ko a that one we all know. I believe say yes and Reverend Obofo is not the first person at BBC but omo complaining so no they have a point unless you want to tell me say they don't have a point what you say and only asema will be air can will be say Iron Boy all the way. And will be also say, but you guys invited him, so why are you crying? Will be say, so are you crying because of the enam or because he didn't get some of the money? And also near Sama will be can say, ne enam na aseno, and no hunting a wosu, and now says he cannot win your name in a wosu and obviously, you guys know Reverend Oborfor shouldn't have come to the funeral because of his fans. What do you expect? Next time, don't invite him to any occasion anymore because definitely he will throw money to his fans. And only as a man in Grofon so Eka. Now, make us say a year say, Minjin, they say you invited Reverend Oborfor, but a year. I'm saying the entire Reverend Oborfor a buy and say, Reverend Oborfor, my yeniatia, say, Embra one. Obi nim enya ntokwa no ye nya yeti asese Reverend Oborfor wonyi ewo I think crow from say Ashtown was a den na asampo hene na wo ye no nso no yesi sa area no na trese wono nso wo nti obviously say Reverend Oborfor enyi ewo ho a onim asampo hene no ati ase nti no you don't even need to invite him eye ohen kese na sebe we free na wo ye den wo ba ne yakoye say asanteman hema akwese asanteman hema wo free mu no ahemfo ana etitiri nipa kese Ghana president ekoye no obese o trend say asante hene na invite obia se obia mbra e no mobile ana eye kese ekoso asanteman mu. You don't even need to invite anyone. Nkrofo beba out of solidarity. Into omo ka say oh mo invite Reverend Oborfor na and blame yourselves on that be you don't actually need to invite him. But when in some I want to comment box in the moment I say